BI developer versus data engineer versus analytics engineer, modern data careers explained clearly. Introduction. Every company today talks about being data-driven. But behind every dashboard and every report, there are different data roles working together. Three roles often cause confusion: business intelligence developer, data engineer, analytics engineer. They all work with data. They all use SQL. But they solve very different problems. Choosing the wrong one can slow your career or push you into work you don't enjoy. In this video, I'll clearly explain what each role actually does, day-to-day responsibilities, skills and tools required, career growth paths, and which role is right for you. Let's break it down. The big picture difference. Here's the simplest way to understand these roles. A data engineer builds data pipelines and platforms. An analytics engineer transforms raw data into analysis-ready datasets. A BI developer turns data into dashboards and reports for business users. Think of it like a water system. Data engineer builds the pipes, analytics engineer cleans and organizes the water, BI developer delivers it in a glass. Now let's look at each role in detail. 1. Data engineer. The data pipeline builder. A data engineer works on the foundation of data systems. Their main responsibility is to make sure data is collected correctly, processed efficiently, stored reliably. Daily tasks include building ETL, ELT pipelines, integrating data from multiple sources, managing data warehouses and lakes, ensuring data quality and performance, working with cloud data platforms. They ask questions like, how do we move data at scale? How do we handle large volumes of data? How do we make data reliable and fast? Common tools and skills: SQL and Python, cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, GCP, data warehouses, Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, ETL tools and orchestration. Big data concepts. This role suits people who enjoy back-end engineering, like working with systems and pipelines, prefer performance and scalability challenges. 2. Analytics engineer. The data modeler and analytics engineer sits between data engineering and BI. Their goal is to turn raw data into clean, well-modeled datasets that analysts and BI tools can easily use. Responsibilities include writing complex SQL transformations, building data models, facts and dimensions, applying business logic to data, ensuring data consistency and definitions, maintaining analytics-ready tables. They think about data correctness, business metrics, reusability and clarity. Common tools and skills: advanced SQL, DBT or similar transformation tools, data modeling concepts, version control, collaboration with business teams. This role is ideal for people who love SQL, enjoy structuring data, want strong business plus technical exposure. 3. BI developer. The data storyteller. A business intelligence developer focuses on presenting data to business users. Their responsibility is to convert data into clear insights and dashboards. Daily tasks include building dashboards and reports, designing KPIs and metrics, optimizing report performance, working with stakeholders, ensuring data is understandable and actionable. They ask questions like, what does the business need to see? How should this insight be visualized? How can we make data easy to understand? Common tools and skills: Power BI, Tableau, Looker, SQL. Data visualization principles, business communication. This role suits people who enjoy storytelling with data, like working with stakeholders, prefer front-end analytics. 4. Skills and focus comparison. Data engineer. Pipelines, infrastructure, scalability. Analytics engineer. Data modeling, transformations, business logic. BI developer. Dashboards, reporting, insights. All three roles are essential, but each focuses on a different layer of the data stack. 5. Career growth and salary direction. Typical career paths: BI developer, right pointing arrow; senior BI developer, right pointing arrow; analytics manager, analytics engineer, right pointing arrow; senior analytics engineer, right pointing arrow; data architect, data engineer, right pointing arrow; senior data engineer, right pointing arrow; data platform architect. In general, data engineers often earn higher due to engineering complexity. Analytics engineers are in fast-growing demand. BI developers have strong business-facing growth. 6. Which role should you choose? Choose data engineer if you enjoy back-end systems like scalability and pipelines. Choose analytics engineer if you Love SQL and data modeling? Want to bridge data and business? Choose by developer. If you enjoy dashboards and storytelling, like working closely with business teams, there's no best role, only the role that fits your skills and interests. Conclusion: modern data teams succeed because these roles work together. Pipelines, models, insights. Choose the layer of the data stack you enjoy most. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which role you're targeting: by developer, analytics engineer, or data engineer. See you in the next video.